Hey guys, we're gonna go fish shopping. We need to go buy some fish for the suite tomorrow. Hello! We just came from the fish shop. We bought some snapper. Here in Strathpine, they got a really good fish market. They have a really good, they have a really good, it's like stepping into Narnia. I'm at worship practice. And I would show you our team, but if I sing disgusting or le pokule if I mapo practice.
Show this part.
We're in the streaming room. We're in the prophet's streaming room. While we're waiting for revelation.
It's alright.
Practice started at 7 o'clock.
It's only 7:05.
It's now 7:05.
That's okay.
And that's okay.
Last time, remember the time where I was...
Thank you for watching my vlog this far.
I'm
really pumped. I'm really pumped about some things I've learnt tonight. Woo! I'm using my iPhone. I'm using my Samsung 8 Plus. And I go between this and my 5D. Canon 5D Mark IV.
You should try your iPhone camera, see if it's...
Better. Yeah, because I need a better face camera. Because the Samsung one's not very nice. Maybe I'll try the Samsung 10 one when it comes to you.
It looks like he's gonna slip and do the splits. Can you help him out?
I don't need help. I'm all good. Practice.
So why are you breathing so heavily?
Because I'm stepping over a bag that hasn't been unpacked from yours truly.
This is disgusting,
This
man.
is terrible. It's still the same
Oh,
bag.
we need a new home.
We just finished our holiday last weekend, and the bag is still
Here from last weekend. Shop profit.
Oh, you grab these real quick.
When you can do both.
right.
Oh, goodness.
We are at church because it's Sunday. We're a bit dark in here. Oh, sorry about that. It's Rev.
Is this the guy that's talking about Josh?
And Josh.
What are the reactions?
We've finished church. Now one of our routine things is we have to go around and pick up all the church signs that we deliver all around near our church.
Bruh.
So Rev's picking him up right now. Look. This is the most faithfulest man in all of... I can't see him here anymore. In all of Australia. This is Rev.
I hope I'm not blocking it.
He's the man. Shoutout! You guys are collecting the signs. Also, you're the man.
Good night, guys.
God is the man.
What do you say? We released our podcast today. The first episode right now. Oh yeah, we released the first episode of Nights of the Round Low Low. I'm just going to open it up in Spotify so that you can see that it's up for sure. Any minute now, Spotify. Look. If you click on Nights of the Round Low Low on Spotify. Here it is! Yay! So, yeah, our first episode's up on all streaming platforms. on all podcast streaming platforms. And right now, I'm waiting for this video to be rendered and exported so that I can post the full episode on YouTube for those that would much rather prefer to watch. We just finished home group and now we are running some, no, we're not running some errands, we're actually at Woolies we need to buy some things. I look really tired in this. We started the 21-day fasting with our church. And for those of you that don't know what the 21-day fasting is, it's the Daniel fast, where you don't eat meat, you only eat vegetables. No sugar, like processed sugars, no meats, no dairy pretty much. Are you pumped, sis? Do you feel fantastic right now?
No.
She's struggling. It's day 3, I think, of the fasting. Let's not condone it yet. I just want to take a video of all our vegetables. We're in South Bank now. We've got our young adults dinner here in South Bank. Just waiting for Liz. We're gonna have dinner first. Well, we're here at Brooklyn Depot.
You're gonna get a vegan salad.
I feel like
As you can see right now, we're getting ready to pay. Are you ready, sis? Are you ready for the race?
oh man, I'm pumped. Hashtag pumped.
What about you?
What do I do?
Are you ready for the race? Or?
Oh yeah, we're gonna
Wait,
win.
sorry, we don't
Team one,
race.
Team 2.
We don't race.
You don't race. What do you do?
The grounds are wet, so you gotta take it.
Right.
Okay, we don't want no injuries.
Slippery when wet.
All I do know is that I need to eat a fish or something for sustenance because I'm about to lose.
Is any one of you going on a scooters or?
Sorry?
Are you going on a scooter or are you going to walk?
We're gonna attempt to. Gotta be like, and still waiting for team 2.
Oh, I'm not waiting.
Be there in 10. Be there in 10.
Are you ready to do the race?
Are you ready to do the race?
So you ready or what?
Are you ready to lose?
Oh, mate, I didn't come here to lose.
I'm ready when you're
I came here to win.
Might as well download the app.
Yes, Mirko's about to hop on that scooter.
Shh, don't tell anyone what's happening here. I am not gonna jump the scooter. Can you see?
Look how big the wheels
Oh
are.
hell
They
no.
can take you.
Hell no.
Okay? Just make sure you don't fall off.
How dare you? I don't want to.
Sis, how long have you haven't been? It's been a while since you've been to South Bank, eh?
Honestly, I hate South Bank. I hate South. No, shout out to all the South Bankians that follow.
Yeah.
I am not a
Yo.
big fan of South Bank. I used to study here. I studied my film degree here.
Oh, okay.
Like years ago. It's just, look, it smells like piss.
So do you have
There's
to put
people
your car?
everywhere.
Yep, no, I don't
There's
think
bloody
anything's changed.
cars everywhere. You just can't. I parked, there's a parking at the back there that I parked on, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Guess what? It takes 8 minutes to get from my car to here. I Ubered.
Oh my gosh. You put it.
I Ubered it here.
Unlike some
And
of
it
us.
took like 3 minutes. The guy that pulled up was probably like, what a lazy. I don't care.
Hey.
So team 1 on this side, team 2 on this side.
over here.
Okay, you're in team 2. You're team 2.
Well, I have team 2. We're gonna be in the tree. My tree coming.
Oh, okay. Gonna be in the tree.
I'm
Nice.
keen. I'm keen.
I'm keen to ride
I
a
take back my words, brother. I take back my words. Are you going to take it with you?
Not to you.
Oh no, because Lodge got a camera here. He cares about them.
Are you okay?
Nah, I feel so sore. I feel dead.
How is that position going to help you at all?
Opening my hips, releasing.
Oh, so you're in a stretching position. Try and translate to English for what you have that might help. Hi friend.
Hi.
What's happening?
Stress. Tiredness. Sweating.
So we are quite stressed.
Very.
Like very much so. Because the teams are like not getting the answers right. Oh, so we can just go to casino? Yes!
Yeah.
Yay! Okay. So
But they have to take the photo because I don't think they got the balls part. Balls in front of the casino.
be like, okay, yeah.
Right now we are announcing the winner of that challenge. Now, to be honest, our team kind of we gave up. I'm not gonna lie, we gave up after the second riddle, and only to find out that who won, Caleb?
You guys won.
Sucker!
I'd just like to say,
thanks for the extra points, guys. We won because of creativity. Look at that. I'm still creative after all these years.
it's kind of not fair when they have an editor on their team who edited their stuff.
So shout out to my mom. Shout out to my mom. Honestly, they led us astray. We were following Josh and Sade, right, to find where our cars were parked. We found where our cars were parked. This is Josh's car. No Josh. Where? Because he's being led astray by his fiance. Oh, it's morning. Caleb. Wow. Bye, fam. That's sad.
At Yasmin because she was keep putting the
Because she was keep putting what?
the guts on me.
Let's go. Oh man. Okay, guys, we're gonna sign out now. Say goodbye.
No, I was sorry. Go look at my channel. Subscribe. Right in the mirror.
Yeah. I think the question I want to ask everybody that's watching me is, who are you? Who are you really? I think it's very important in this day and age that we know who we are. And yeah, thanks for watching this vlog. Really appreciate it. Shout out to all our 159 subscribers. I love y'all. Nope, we're done. Nope. This man is a cheat.